How to use Pipedrive simple CRM tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Pipedrive for your CRM and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to pipedrive.com and you will land on this platform right here. Pipedrive is an amazing CRM platform that allows you to set your own pipeline, create your own sales, optimize, and grow. In different features, we will be getting manage leads and deals, track communications, automate and grow, insights and reports, privacy and security, and many integrations. Pipedrive is an all-in-one platform with all the right features and tools for your business. To get started with Pipedrive, you can simply try it out for free and then simply sign up with your Google account or your email address. After that, you will simply provide your business info. Once you do that, then you will simply get your own dashboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign into my dashboard on Pipedrive. This is my dashboard, and you can see right here, this is the dashboard that you will also get after the initial sign up. Once you sign up, then we will be able to access the features according to the plan that we have actually chosen. You can see right here, we have the leads option, deals, campaigns, mail, activities, contacts, insights, products, and marketplace. So we can simply go one by one to all of these different dashboards and we can create leads, we can create deals, and more. So I have opened up the leads inbox, and in leads, I will be able to get a live chat box, web forms, and more. To create a new lead, you will find the option right here. Click on add new lead. And now this is where we will add the information in order to add a new lead. So what I will do is I will simply enter a contact person, organization, title, labels, and more. Okay, so before we create a lead or a deal, we should create a contact so that we can add it to our leads and deals. Simply go to contacts right here, click on add person, and now we simply have to enter their name, organization, label if any, phone, email, and then we're good to go. So in our label, we can select from customer, hot lead, and other. So it is a customer. After that, you just can simply enter their phone number. I'm going to enter their email address. Now simply click on save, and you can see a new contact has been created. I can edit it out anytime I want to. Our contacts are going to be like our spreadsheet. So if you're used to using spreadsheet, then this is going to be very easy for you. Now we can customize it the way we want to. We can edit the name. We have all of these different columns and rows. Similarly, I can go to organizations and I can create a new organization. So to create a new organization or a company, you simply enter the name, or let's call it maybe Tesla, right? And then you will add the label, and it is actually a hot lead. We can enter their email address if we want to, or an address. So I'm gonna just add this way, and we have added a new organization. So in contacts, we can add organizations and contacts. It's very easy. Now let's go back to our leads, and let me show you how we can create a lead and a deal. So to create a new lead, you simply open this up. Now if I click right here on contact person and I type in Alex, right, you will see that I have this contact, right? So that contact will be added here, and there also the other information will be added too. So you can see this is my contact. Now in the organization, again, I'm gonna just add the same organization. Keep in mind that we can also create a new contact right here too. You don't have to go to contacts because I wanted to show you. That's why I went back. But you can also create a new contact by just clicking right here, and it will allow you to add a new contact. Then again, we have labels. So it is actually a hot lead right now, and I'm working on it. After that, we can assign it to someone. If you want to add an email address, if you want to add a phone number, you can do that. We also have the visibility. So visibility simply means that I can actually just keep it to the owner, or maybe to a group, subgroups, or an entire company. So let's say this lead does not involve the entire company. So I can just keep it visible to our salesperson. So I'm just going to click on save, and you can see we have our new lead created, and this way I can create as many leads as I want to. Then we get the live chat option. We have chat box, web forms, and prospector. So all of these different options are available. A lot of tools are available in Pipedrive, so I can like not go through all of them one by one. It will take a lot of time. Let me actually give you a quick review. To create a live chat, you can simply go ahead and click on this plugin that is available, and that allows you to add a live chat. Then we have our own web forms, so you can create a web form within your Pipedrive with the same lead booster. Provides you powerful ways to get to more leads. So this is like lead booster, and it allows you to add all of these different tools. Then we have deals. Then you can see this is actually the preview. Now if I want to just add something here, like in qualified, I can just click on this plus icon and it will allow me to add a new deal here. If I want to create a new deal, I can create from here as well. Then we have this option as well. This is a quick add option. So in quick add, we can create a new lead, deal, activity, person, organization node anytime we want to within just seconds. So to create a new deal, again, you simply enter a contact person, organization, title, value. So in here, we have to add a deal's value. So let's say this deal is worth 5,000. And we can select from currency. So it's actually USD. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and find USD. There you go. So this deal is worth 5,000 USD. Then we have the pipeline. So it is going to be in the pipeline, and this is the first stage. But if you want to add to another stage, like I told you, we have different stages. You can simply add to any stage you want to. After that, we have expected date, honor, everything. Simply click on save. So I'm going to quickly add the same person here. Click on save. And there you go. So you can see right here, our new deal has been created. The next step is next feature that we get. We can create our own campaigns within our Pipedrive. So to create a new email, you simply click on create new email. And in here, you will be able to create an email marketing campaign. So this is available in the pro version, and you will be able to access it. Now creating an email is really easy. It's a simple editor with a lot of easy tools and all the right tools for your emails. Then we have the mail option right here. So this is like a simple mail, my inbox, where I will be able to create emails within my Pipedrive. So what we can do is we can actually connect our Gmail or our any other email we are using, any platform, we can connect it to our Pipedrive, and then we don't have to switch between different platforms, and I don't have to go to Gmail every time to check my different emails that I got. So we can create different lists, we can filter them, we can create different marks, and it will really help us organize and customize our emails. Then, of course, we have activities. In activities, you will be able to check all the activities that are happening within your Pipedrive by different team members. We have context that I just show you, and then we have insights. So insight just means that we will be getting these stats and insights into our email marketing campaigns, into our leads, into everything that we have. We will be able to track our data. So you can see we can add our goals here, our reports, deal durations, deal conversions, deal progress, products sold, and we have lead conversions. So everything will be shown here, and I can just check them, and I can actually, customize them. If I want to move something, I can just customize my dashboard here as well, and it will allow me to get insights very easily. I can also get insights in the form of graphs and charts. We can get a pie chart and others. Then we can also filter the search. We can also share the insights with other team members as well. So yeah, guys, this is how you use Pipedrive for your CRM. I hope that I showed you everything that you needed to know in order to make an informed decision if Pipedrive is the right platform for you or not. And I showed you everything: how to create a contact, deal, leads, and how to automate your with Pipedrive, and how to improve your CRM. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.